973525, obstructing public streets, willfully obstruction of use of impeding traffic. Kind of just like the last one, got two laws. It's pretty much the same thing, but this one adds a little bit more to it. So either way, it's against the law to block the streets or the sidewalks, but here's another law pertaining to that. 1. It shall be unlawful for any person or persons to willfully obstruct the free, convenient, and normal use of any public sidewalk, street, highway, alley, road, or other passageway by impeding, hindering, stifling, retarding, or restraining traffic or passage thereon, and any person or persons violating this provision of this section shall be guilty of a misdemeanor, and upon conviction thereof shall be punished by a fine of not more than $500, or by confinement in the county jail not exceeding 6 months, or by both such fine and imprisonment. The provisions of this section are supplementary to the provisions of any other statute of the state. This one just adds a little bit more wording as to what you can't stop. The last one was just the public sidewalk and street. This one's highway, alley, road, or passage. Adds a little bit more definition and meaning, and a little bit more to the fine and jail time. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.